great careers start at Quinsigamond Community College. Through QCC's Innovative Technology Acceleration Center in Southbridge, ITAC, you can get the education and advanced training and skills you'll need to take advantage of excellent job opportunities at world-class manufacturing facilities throughout central Massachusetts. Companies like United Lens in Southbridge, where, starting back in 1916, Felino Di Gregorio, along with his sons, transformed a small molding shop business into an optical manufacturing company that's the largest of its kind in the world. And it's where today you'll find QCC students with a bright future, playing an important part of that continued growth.
I graduated from Quinsig in 2010, and a few weeks later, I was employed full-time here.
I've worked here at United Lens for almost 5 years now. I got my associate's degree from Quinsig in May of last year, 2015.
Using the largest optical inventory in the world, United Lens molds, machines, grinds, polishes, and coats optics for a diverse and global range of customers and applications.
We fabricate from raw material, and we can write a process all the way to a finished coated optic.
Customers will call in and say, I need to make something, and it happens to be made out of glass. Everything from little endoscopes for the medical industry to laser reflectors for industrial sort of range finding systems to camera parts or projector parts.
We have the molding department, which produces blanks in a furnace. We have the optical shop, which does, they polish the parts. Then we have the coating department, which works kind of hand in hand with optical shop. They get the parts cleaned up, polished, send them into coating. Coating will use a number of different coats. We have parts that are coated in gold. We have mirrors, reflective films that are placed on them. Those are used for all different kinds of applications. And then we also have the service center upstairs, which it's all precision cutting. They do core drilling in Haas, CNC.
It's very exciting and interesting to produce quality products in the end.
So all the boxes have a packing tape that says made in the US, which is, it's really important to us because we want our customers to know not only in America but in other countries that the United States produces top quality parts.
People just coming into the industry, kids that are looking at it, are kind of pushed away from it because they think it's just going to be something that's dead end, that's not going to turn into anything, and you're just going to work in a dirty shop. And that's absolutely not what it is. I mean, it's a very progressive industry. It's nothing like it used to be. They're very high-end machines, so you're not just pushing a button, you're programming the machine, you're making the machine run, you're making these parts.
We use a few different CAD and CAM programs. Depending on what we're doing and where we're doing it, we might have some proprietary like programming softwares for certain types of manufacturing equipment, everything from particular brands of CNC mills and lathes, which I think most people are familiar with, to a little more obscure coating chambers.
We're very technical, always discussing different prints, different specifications, always things to learn. Once you start gaining experience, you have the ability to move anywhere that you would like.
United Lens is a great company. There are opportunities for advancement, and everyone is very helpful, willing to provide the tools to help you succeed.
It's important to me to hire people who are willing to learn. The prospect of having a community college local that sounds like a pretty good way to grow that culture.
Quinsigamond Community College graduates are very intelligent. They know their stuff, they're very detail-oriented, always good to work with.
Quinsig is a great start. They help guide me in the right direction, look into some of the programs that they have to offer, but also to look within and look at some of the manufacturing companies that we have, and UL is a great place.
Get started today on a new career. Find out more about QCC's ITAC programs by logging on to qcc.edu.